Hey everybody, it's Dina Rico from the Creativity Cave. I gotta get my Stampin' Lips on. And I am excited. That's much better. I am so excited to tell you about a couple of really cool classes that I have coming up this month. The first class is called Creativity Kits to Go. And this is going to be a class that's based around a stamp set, which of course I will tell you what it is. This first month is Country Home. And I think I have that sitting out here handy. Let me find it on my desk. I had a Facebook Live this afternoon and I have not picked up from it yet. So here's the Country Home. I know it's backwards, but you can see what it looks like at least. And this class is pretty cool because it's going to have pre-cut cardstock to make 8 projects in it. It will have a goodie bag that has $20 worth of goodies for you to use. So you'll use them for your projects, but then you'll have leftovers to play with afterwards. It will have a video tutorial for each project as well as some additional card ideas for use with your stamp set and alternative ideas as well, using other stamp sets in the same card layout. Plus, if you need to add on the stamp set, or in this case, we also need one other item, which is the tin tile embossing folder. I'm looking around for it, and I know it's sitting right there. Do you see my big shot right here? It's sitting right there. Anyway, you can see all the details about this on my blog under my online classes section, and I'll put a link in the description of this video for you so you can see how the details work for that. The cost is $35 and it can only be shipped to US addresses. Unfortunately, that's a rule from Stampin' Up! I cannot sell to people in other countries for products. So if you would like to join us, it's pretty awesome. It's a great deal. The $35 is delivered to you with shipping and everything. And the other thing that's kind of nice is for this particular Creativity Kit to Go class, if you purchase it for 6 months in a row, I will give you free $25 product credit to use with your 6th kit. We'll add that on. It'll come with your kit. So it's kind of a nice deal for you. If you have any questions about that, please let me know. And like I said, you can register with the link I'm showing. If you would like to add on the stamp set, or in this case, I've got a stamp set and a embossing folder that we'll need for your cards, you can email me and I'll send you that special link with those products in it. Also, this one I'm also super excited about. I'm really excited about both of these, but this next class is going to be a Facebook class. Many of you have watched me on Facebook Live, or maybe you've caught my Facebook Lives here on YouTube, and that is going to be a class that's run through a Facebook group. You need to register in order to be a part of it, and each month we will have 3 Facebook Lives. 3. And during those lives, you will have an opportunity to stamp with me. I will send out some measurements for some just basic pieces of cardstock so that you can put together a card. We will focus on card layouts and how to create cards. And really what I'm trying to show you is ways to improve your time usage. I hear so many people say that it takes them forever, or they sit down to stamp and 3 hours later they only have part of a card, or maybe only one card and they want to make a whole bunch of cards. So I'm going to give you lots and lots of tips on how to design your cards, how to lay them out, color combinations, as well as ways to take the same card and tweak it into lots of different varieties of cards. One example I have for you, and this is a really basic one, we'll definitely delve much deeper into this than that, but I made this cute card. It's pretty sweet, right? You can even see there's some embossing on there, which is kind of fun. So we took this card layout and then we tweaked it to make this card layout, which is really the same basic layout. We just switched it and then added a little bit, changed it up a little bit. Okay, so this is a really basic example of what we'll do in this class. So I'll give you card layout ideas like this, color combination ideas, as well as how to take those 1, 2, 3, and 4 steps further. We'll also cover things like how to embellish, when to stop embellishing. And then even talk about questions you might have. It'll really be interactive because you can ask me questions and get feedback right as we're going in the live, or I will answer them later on if you're not watching us live. We'll also have some fun things going on, like card challenges. We will have prizes and other fun things. So I'm really excited about the opportunity to share these classes with you. I think you're going to have a lot of fun. Also, in the Facebook class, I think I mentioned we would do card challenges. It's a really great way to start using what you've learned right away so that you don't have to like think about it and forget it. And I mean, it's like homework, right? It's a class after all. Of course, this is the best kind of homework, right? So anyway, I hope that you will join us for at least one of those. The monthly Facebook class is, like I said, it's a monthly class. So each month we will do new projects, new colors, new designs, and it's $25 per month, and anybody from anywhere in the world can register for it. And if you do a year subscription, it's only $15 a month, and you only pay each month. You can get an awful lot of inspiration for that amount of money. So, and another question I've had a lot of people asking me is, can demonstrators join? Of course you can, absolutely. So we would love to have you. In fact, I know I already have several demonstrators that are signed up for it. It's a great way to improve your stamping skills, to build some ideas up in your repertoire for your own events, and I think it will just make you an overall awesome stamper. So I hope you can join us. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to stamping with you all soon. Bye, guys.